I swear that the evidence which I shall give in this case shall be true, that I will conceal nothing, and that no part of my evidence shall be false. So help me God. Evidence affidavit. Yes.
Before I begin, I'd like to suggest 3 things. First, last date was issued 12/1. But it is mentioned in the order sheet.
Right, I am correcting you. The Mr. Vidyadhar Misral and senior advocate appearing for the respondent pointed out that though the case was last posted to 12/1/2023, but inadvertently in the order sheet it has been reflected, in the order it has been reflected to be 11/1/2023. The later 11 is scored out by me, reading and corrected as 12 is 16/1/2023. Thank you.
Second thing, well, till today we are continuing day to day.
Right.
I suggest to do it every alternative day, so that we will get one day to do homework and the next day we will finish. Subject to acceptance by my actual.
Let us continue, we'll see that. Okay. Yeah.
Third thing,
Yeah.
Your lordship said it to give running copy of the deposition. Since there is no order, office is not.
Okay.
Photocopy करके private secretary sign करते हैं.
Okay, okay. To both the parties.
Yes, both. It is usually sabu election case.
Okay. So the last date you were confronting the first information reports and the order sheet of right.
How will it begin with?
Yeah. Mr. Samantha, please take your seat. Thank you. Mic to adjust करते हैं. Yes.
Mr. Samantray, kindly see certified copy of Exhibit 27. Dekhan.
Exhibit 27, Honorable Court Mark Mr. Certificate of
FIR of day-to-day orders, FIR and day-to-day order sheet of FIR number 136
136
dated 24/9/2012
24/9/2012
of Balyanta PS Bhubaneswar Urban Police District.
Last data copy kari paste
Hala. Bide PS case number 136 of 2012 dated 24/9/2012 corresponding to GR case number 680 of 2012 against several persons, 6 others, and at the serial number 7 name of Mohammad Mokim appears. लिखला ना ठीक registered under 417 341 323 294 506 399 379 120B 34 IPC, and its charge sheet has been submitted by charge sheet number 209 dated 20/11/2015 under section 341 294 506 120B 34 IPC pending in the court of JMFCO Bhubaneswar.
Where is the charge sheet copy? Charge sheet copy that is, my lord, reflected in the day-to-day order sheet. Okay, that is reflected in the order. That is order dated? Order dated 7/12/2015. Okay. Yes, got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Exhibit 27 reveals, as per the day-to-day order sheet of the court of JMFCO Bhubaneswar, the respondent Mohammad Mokim released on police bail as per order of the Honorable High Court of Orissa passed in BLAPL application number 2722/2012.
1 minute.
Second.
Page 4 of the order sheet. Yes, I got it. Definitely. The accused persons, serial number 1 to 7, are on police bail as per orders of Honorable High Court bail, BLAPL number 27,222
BLAPL जो हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर था देखा এটা ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ଟିଫାଏଡ କପିର ଜେରକ୍ସ ଟା ଆମେ ଦଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିବେ
that is mentioned in the order, there is no problem in that.
ନାଇଁ we want to mark it as exhibit A on our behalf.
Okay.
Subject to his acceptance.
That's a Xerox copy. The certified copies we have filed. You can refer to the certified copy. Xerox copies cannot be marked.
It cannot be marked, but he's filing with objection. Let it be that.
Objection.
Okay.
That it cannot be. My objection also may be not.
Order sheet re eta padhantu order ta tike padi diyantu.
Lordship, may note my objection also.
Okay, obviously. Considering the nature of offences alleged against the petitioners, it is directed that in the event of arrest of the petitioners in Balyanta PS case number 136 of 2012, corresponding to GR case number 680 of 2012, pending in the court of law and JMFCO Bhubaneswar, they shall be released on bail by arresting officer on such terms and conditions as the arresting officer may deem just and proper.
Certified copy of the order of the High Court, Honorable High Court.
I'll mark it simply as mark X.
Mark X koribe.
Yes.
With objection, exhibit A. Certified copy.
You apply and the subsequent.
X था certified copy हम बड़े दे दो.
Yes. Copy kari paste kar din.
And in this case, court summons for appearance is not received by the respondent.
Copy kari paste karo. Paragraph number 50. That is not available in this document. 58. Oh, I see. All right.
I'm dictating it. Complete, sir.
The court summon for appearance in this case is not received by the respondent as on 21/11/22.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି date of delivery of this certified copy. My lord, it is appearing at the first page. It is the 21/11/22 of the exhibit 27, my lord. First page, red marking ଅଛି. 21/11/22 and at its page 8, order sheet page 8. Bottom, order dated 20/9/2022. Accused are absent, issue summons to them, fixing on 23/2/2023 for appearance.
Yeah.
They have not appeared. Accused are not appeared till date before the court. Summons has been not received.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ perusal of the FIR in exhibit 27 reveals that respondent was not personally involved during the occurrence, as well as the case relates to civil dispute which is pending in the court of the Civil Judge Senior Division Bhubaneswar in CS case number.
Sir, that is there. You can argue the matter. That is the document itself has been filed.
ମାନେ ମନେ ପକେଇ ଦେଲେ ସେ
English report.
ନାଇଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଏଇଟା My lord, FIR is there. ମୁଁ ପଢି ଦଉଛି। ନିବେଦନ କରେ କି ମୁଁ ଶ୍ରୀ ପୀତବାସ ନାୟକ ବୟସ 65 ବର୍ଷ। My lord, got the FIR?
Yeah.
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଅଛି ବୟସ 65 ବର୍ଷ, ପିତା ହରମୋନ ନାୟକ, ସା ହଂସପାଳ, ପୋଷ୍ଟ ନହରକଣ୍ଟା, ଥାନା ମଞ୍ଚେଶ୍ୱର, ଜିଲ୍ଲା ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧାଙ୍କର ମେଟ୍ରୋ ସାଟେଲାଇଟ ସ୍ଥିତିସ୍ଥ ଅଣ୍ଡିଲ ମୌଜାର ପ୍ଲଟ ନମ୍ବର 95ରେ 1/0/520 ଜମି ଥିଲା।
Why are you confronting this to the person who is not the informant of this case? He is an outsider. Exactly. He does not know what the informant has written. What is the purpose then? Relying on that such a case has been filed against Mr. Mokim, and Mokim charge sheet has also been submitted, cognizance taken, and no summons have been issued. The parties, the accused persons are yet to appear. That's all. But what the informant, can it be contents of the FIR will be put to a third person who is no way concerned with it? It is not permissible, legally not permissible.
And we are relying.
You can draw the attention of this court. The purpose of, if it is utilized as a previous statement, it can be utilized under the provision of 145 of Evidence Act to confront it to the maker thereof. Okay. And if any contradictions are there, that can be proved out. But he is not neither he is the informant, no way concerned with that case. He is simply bringing this fact to the notice of the court that such a case is pending. And the most important thing is that whether the respondent Mohammad Mokim has mentioned it in the affidavit about this case or not. If he has mentioned, it's well and good. If it's not mentioned, what would be its effect? That is to be argued at the final stage. Exactly. Why are you confronting the lines of the FIR to a person who is no way concerned with the writing?
They have filed this document.
It's all right. That's all. All right, let take down and just show that affidavit whether that has been mentioned.
Mohammad Mokim was not personally present at the time of occurrence of the.
That's all right. That you can argue. All right. Yes.
See.
Column 5 IIAVI at page 4.
Affidavit in form 26 filed by the respondent.
VI देखो. FIR number 100. My not got it.
Yes.
FIR number 136 2012 dated 24/9/2012 Balianta Police Station, Kotak, Orissa.
Yes.
And at column 5IIB IX देखो GR case number 680 by 2012 in the Honorable Court of SDJM Bhubaneswar. And 5IIXII bottom, my lord.
5IC.
5IIC.
XII.
Page 5 bottom ta XII Commission of Offences under section 147 341 323, 294, 353, 427, 149 of IPC and Section 3 of PDPP Act and Section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act and Section 96 of Orissa Urban Police Act.
Okay, one thing I just want to ask you also, it will be this GR case number 680 of 2012. It was never pending before the SDGM Bhubaneswar at any point of time. It was always pending before JMFCO Bhubaneswar. So, all right, that is to be argued at appropriate stage.
Fine.
But and what about the offenses?
Offenses is a XII.
Yeah.
Offenses is there 157, 341, 323, 294, 353, 427, 149 IPC, Section 3 of PDPP Act and Section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act and Section 96 of Orissa Urban Police Act.
You relate to this 3-7, this Roman 7.
3 C
Huh.
XII.
Huh?
XII.
XII.
Bottom. Page 5 bottom.
These offenses are not correct. It is not 147, it is 417. And the offenses are 354 is not there. PDPP Act is not there.
It's not there. I know at the time of getting bail, I will file that petition.
These are the matters which is to be argued at this stage. So let me take down. I have filed Exhibit 27, which relates to Balianta PS case number 136, dated 24/9/2012, registered under section 417/324/294/506/379/120B/34 of the Indian Penal Code, which corresponds to GR case number 680 of 2012, pending in the court of
2012.
680 of 2012, which is pending in the court of JMFC bracketry O, comma, ওটা capital করো, comma, Bhubaneswar, against the respondent Muhammad Mokim and others, in which on completion of investigation, in which the order sheet indicates, that on completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted on 20/11/2015 under section 341, 294, 506, 120B by 34 of the Indian Penal Code. And accordingly, as per order dated 7/12/2015, cognizance of such offences has been taken, and it further reflects that the respondent Mohammad Mokim is on police bail granted by this court in BLAPL number 27222 of 2012, and summons have been issued to the accused persons, including the respondent Mohammad Mokim and as per the order sheet filed, comma, on 29/2022, summons have been issued to the respondent Mohammad Mokim and other accused persons, fixing the date to 23/2/2023 for their appearance. The bail order
Bail.
of the case in which
Xerox certified copy of the bail.
Mohammad Mokim stated to have been released on bail by this court is shown to me, but it is a Xerox certified copy marked as X পর্যন্ত. Stop. I find that in column number 5, ঠিক আছে 5 bracket Roman 2 bracket A bracket VI though the FIR number and police station has been correctly reflected, but in column number 5 Roman 2 bracket B bracket which one?
IX.
Huh?
IX.
II. Oh, bracket IX. Though the GR case number has been correctly reflected, but it is mentioned to be pending in the court of learned SDGM Bhubaneswar, though as per the order sheet filed by me, the said case was never pending in the court of SDGM Bhubaneswar, and right from the beginning, it was pending before JMFC bracket O bracket comma Bhubaneswar. It was pending before JMFC bracket O comma Bhubaneswar. Similarly, in column number 5 Roman 2 C bracket X double I the offenses are some of the offenses like section 3 PDPP Act, (147), 353, 427, and 149 IPC have been incorrectly reflected, though the case was never filed for such offenses nor charge sheeted under such offenses. Stop. Yes, next.
Section 7 has been mentioned. Section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act
and
Section 96 of Orissa Urban
3
Police.
PDPP Act for Section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act and Section 96 of
Orissa Urban Police Act.
Odisha এটা কোন লেখা হয়েছে Urban Police Act ହେଲା and sections. Okay.
Oblige.
This should be marked as mark X করে দেবে ହେଲା କରିକିନି red ink ରେ ଲେଖି এটা ଆଜି date ହେଲା 16/1/2023. Keep it on. Next para.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ you have filed a certified copy of Exhibit 28, FIR and day-to-day order sheet of FIR number 15 dated 16/3/2011, Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS by PS case number 15 of 2011, corresponding to VGR number 15 of 2011 dated 16/3/2011. against one Harihara Naik, tax collector Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation Bhubaneswar, two Bhagavan Sahu, tax daroga Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation Bhubaneswar, and three Muhammad Mokim of Messrs Metro Builders and others, registered under Section 13(2) read with Section 13(1)(d) of PC Act 1988 and under Section 420/120-B IPC pending in the Court of Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar.
Yeah. So this is, I think this is correctly reflected. Yes.
All the columns A, B, C.
While you are putting the question, I was marking it. So Mr. Samantray will proceed. Milord. Yes. You copy the previous. Acha. Yeah. Right. देखी दियो उनका
Offenses 32 read with 31D of PCR 1988 and 124 cases.
Right. Come. I have filed Exhibit 28 to show that Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS case number 15 dated 16/3/2011, which corresponds to BGR number V.G.R number 15 of 2011 is pending in the Court of London Special Judge Vigilance, Bhubaneswar against respondent Muhammad Mukim and others for commission of offences under section 13(2) read with 13(1)(d) of PC Act 1988 and sections 420/120B of the Indian Penal Code, which has been mentioned in column number 5 Roman 2.
It has been mentioned under Exhibit 1 to 4 and Exhibit 32 to 35.
Acha, add kar do. All right, let me complete it. In column number 5 to bracket A
X.
bracket X, then comma 5 Roman 2 bracket B
X.
bracket X and 5 Roman 2 bracket small c,
X.
that is also X, of the affidavit filed by the respondent Muhammad Mukim in Form 26 along with his nomination paper dated 24.
My lord, Form 26 dated 3/4/2000.
Acha, form number 26 dated 3/4/2019 along with his nomination paper.
এটা ପଛରେ ଦେଖ
Along with এটা পরে
এটা 3 ର affidavit ଟା 4 ରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁ
Acha, oh acha acha. Nomination paper କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ?
2 ରେ
2 ତାରିଖରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ 2 ତାରିଖରେ ତାର ୱାଣ୍ଟିଂ ଥିବାରୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଚେକ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ
No, whatever it may be. Nomination paper ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି. Nomination paper is dated 2/4.
with respect to
2019.
with respect to with respect to or in connection with his nomination paper.
Mohammad Mokim in form number 26 dated so and so. This is right.
Yes.
In connection with his nomination paper.
All right. In connection with his nomination papers dated 2/4/2019 under exhibit 1 one exhibit 1 exhibits कर दियंतु exhibits 1, 2, 3, 4 तापरे नहीं से एकाथर कर दो कमा
32, 33,
sure 32, 33, 34 and 35. All right. This you take it and place it also there. ये जोटा रही ना ये क्लॉज नंबर ये जो of the affidavit हाँ से नहीं जानते हाँ बस से कॉपी लास्ट पर्यंत नहीं जानते हाँ एटा नहीं जानते कॉपी कर दियंतु ऊपर आसंतु आउटे ऊपर आसंतु हाँ नहीं जोटी लेखा हितला तार प्रीवियस पैराग्राफ रे से जो क्लॉज गुडा के लेखा हितला नो आउटे अच्छा आउटे बैक कर दियंतु ओके एठी सेमति लेखा हिनी परा ऑल राइट आउटे बैक कर दियंतु प्रथमे जोटी लेखा हितला देखो बैक करंतु औरी आउटे it run. But it is stated in the certified copy of this one so marked as X. I have find that column number so and so in column number so and so. It copy paste कर दो दो पूर्व तब पूर्व हाँ से paste करूँ तब बाकी दो हाँ it is now I find that in column number so and so of the affidavit filed by the respondent Mohammad Mokim in form number so and so in connection with his nomination paper dated so and so, comma, so 8,35 per comma दिया 35 per comma हाँ though the FIR number and police station have been correctly reflected in the affidavit but in so and so those that's now it's all right. Yes,
But in the so and so of the affidavit, they are also your lordship.
okay. But in so and so of the affidavit
of the said affidavit.
of the said affidavit of the said affidavit. Okay, do तापर again you mention it column number out तले अछि column number see of the said affidavit. Right. नहीं कमा रहिबो ना कमा रहिबो ठीक है. Yes.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ day to day order sheet of the Court of Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar under Exhibit 8 reveals
28
reveals that final form report number 8 dated 23/8/22 has been received in court on 22/9/22.
Available at
yes I got it. Stop the order sheet of the said VGR case V.G.R case dated 22/9/2022 indicates
under exhibit 28.
obviously মানে said মানে ମୁଁ ସେଇ এটা তো সেই paragraph relate করছি না so the order sheet of the said VGR case আচ্ছা bracket লিখ দিয়ন্তু exhibit 28 করে দিয়ন্তু এই যে VGR case পরে exhibit 28 করে দিয়ন্তু dated 20 indicates that final report number 08 dated 30/08/2022 has been received from S.P. Superintendent of Police, S.P. Vigilance, Bhubaneswar Division, Bhubaneswar, and notice has been issued to the complainant for filing protest petition, if any.
ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପିଟାକୁ ଦାଖଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
କୋଉ ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ସାର୍ ଦାଖଲ
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫାଇନାଲ
fixing date ଟା minor ରହିଲା fixing 12/12/2000
fixing the date আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে fixing the date to if any fixing the date to 12/12/2022 12/12 नहीं 12/12 ठीक আছে stop. I have not filed the final report
final report ଟା
along with
final form report.
no it's final report. Final form means charge sheet, final report means case is closed. That means case true, no clue, no clue is made out, so final report. That means that is why the notice has been issued to the complainant, so he can file the complaint protest petition. So it's final report. Case is closed, no case is made out, or no clue was found, so that is final report. I have not filed the final report along with exhibit 28. Yes.
Next, sir. You have filed certified copy of exhibit 29. दियंतु सर को दियंतु कोर्ट को दियंतु This is the certified copy of FIR and date to the order sheet of FIR number 7 dated 30/3/2005 of Vigilance PS case number PS Bhubaneswar by PS case number 7 of 2005 corresponding to TR case number 1 of 2009 against Sri Vinod Kumar IAS, the then MD of Orissa Rural Housing Development Corporation ORHDC Bhubaneswar, to Sri Swasti Ranjan Mahapatra, the then Company Secretary ORHDC Bhubaneswar, 3 Mohammad Mokim, MD Metro Builders, and 4 Sri Piyush Mahanti, Director Messrs Metro Builders Private Limited. The case has been registered under 13(2) under section 13(2) read with 13(1)(d) of PC Act and under section 120B IPC pending in the court of Special Judge Bhubaneswar, Vigilance Bhubaneswar.
Mila. Yes, I have filed exhibit 29 to show that Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS case number 7 dated 33/2005, which corresponds to TR case number 1 of 2009, is pending in the court of London Special Judge vigilance, Bhubaneswar, for commission of offences under section 13(2) read with 13(1) small d of PC Act, 1988, and section 120B of the Indian Penal Code, against the respondent Mohammed Mukim and other accused persons. Yes, sir. Yeah, it mention kar dijiye na affidavit ko tha. You have not confronted, I think, this affidavit. You show them, then I will. Sir.
Exhibit 29 reveals in the as per the day-to-day order sheet of the Court of the Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar that cognizance has been taken on 22/1/2009
Second page of your
and charge framed by the court against Mohammed Mukim and Messrs. Metro Builders and Pius Mahanti committed offence under section 120B, 468, 471, 420 IPC and
420, 120B, I think.
420 and 120.
Malad test to the
Yes, I got it. Let him answer, then I will.
Mohammed Mukim, other accused rahigala.
No, Mohammed Mukim name is there in 10/4/2015 date and our charge be frame is so underline karchandi se Mohammed Mukim cognizance
section and the charge has been framed on
10/4/2015
against
right.
Mohammed Mukim under source.
Yes, sir. The order sheet of the said case indicates that on 22/1/2009, cognizance of offences under section 468, 471, 420, and 120B of the Indian Penal Code has been taken so far as the petitioner, so far as the respondent Mohammed Mukim is concerned, and on 10/4/2015, charge has been framed against the respondent Mohammed Mukim for such offences, along with Messrs. Metro Builders এটা মেট্রো বিল্ডার লেখা হয়েছে কমা ওড়িশা
Private Limited.
প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড represented by Mohammad Mokim.
After 10/4/2015, there is no order in Exhibit 29. ସେଇଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ।
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 10/2015 ପରେ ଆଉ ଡେ ଟୁ ଡେ ଅର୍ଡର
There is no order available in the order sheet under Exhibit 29 filed by me after 10/4/2015. Stop.
ସେଇଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା। Respondent has shown it in his affidavit in Form 26, internal page 4, 5, 6, and 7.
5 IIA X triple I.
This is okay. S.I.I. 7 of 33/2015. Yes, this one is correct. Then
D ରେ ସେଇ X triple I my lord.
TR number 1 of 2019, Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar Tik. And the offenses are
X triple I. Next page.
okay, 13 to 13(1)D 40. Okay, it's all right.
And my lord, please see as page 7. E is available there.
Page 7.
Page 7. E ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
High
X 5 I X triple I S.
Yeah.
Whether charge has been framed S. TR case number 1/2009 in Honorable Court of Social Justice Bhubaneswar.
Yes, sir. All right. In the affidavit dated, this affidavit is dated 3, na? 3/4/2019. 2019. Correct.
Filed in Form 26.
Filed in form number 26.
Form 26.
Form 26. Number name. Form 26.
Under Exhibit 1.
In the affidavit dated so and so, filed in the affidavit of respondent Mohammad Mokim dated 3/4/20, filed in so and so, along with in connection with his nomination paper dated 2/4/2019, comma, in column number
Under Exhibit 124 and Exhibit 232.
say in nomination paper dated under in exhibits 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. তারপরে কত হচ্ছে 32, 33, 34 and 35 হলো in column number 5 bracket रे Roman 2 small a, then it X triple I, comma 5 Roman 2 bracket रे B bracket रे X triple I, comma 5 Roman 2 C X triple I and
5 IIE
5 Roman 2 na Roman 2
E
E
X triple I
bracket X triple I, comma, the said aspect has been mentioned. Stop. Yes,
mentioned correctly with respect to the
I mentioned correctly. All it is correctly. It's mentioned correctly. But
Next, Exhibit 30.
come to the next paragraph.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ exhibit 30 is the certified copy of FIR and day-to-day order sheet of FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007 of Vigilance PS Bhubaneswar by PS case number 34 of 2007 corresponding to TR case number 41 of 2013 against one Sri Vinod Kumar IAS MD OHRDC, 2 Pradeep Kumar Rao Accounts Officer OHRDC, 3 Sri Swasti Ranjan Mahapatra Company Secretary OHRDC, 4 Gyanendra Swai System Analyst OHRDC, 5 Satya Prakash Jehra Junior Loan Officer OHRDC, 6 Chittaranjan Mallik Cashier OHRDC, 7 Piyush Mahanti
MD.
MD, and 8 MD Mohammad Mokim MD of Messrs Metro Builders Odisha Private Limited Bhubaneswar.
Yeah.
The case has been registered under section 120B, 467, 468, 471, 420 IPC and under section 13(2) read with 13(1)(d) of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988.
देखिए तो
जैसे previous paragraph का copy करी paste करना. हाँ, कौन?
Exhibit 30 reveals as per day-to-day order sheet final form number 8 3/4/2013 has been filed in court under section 13(2) read with 13(1)(d) of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and under section 120B 420
the final form is available below.
internal page
Yes, that
49.
is. I've seen it. I've seen it. Sir, you continue. Sir.
Whereas cognizance has been taken on 6/6/2015 under section 13(2) read with 13(1)(d) of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and under section 467, 468, 471, 420, 120 capital B of IPC. There is no order after 9/10/2015 till date.
All right. I have filed Exhibit 30 to show that Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS case number, that is 34, dated 6/9/2007, which corresponds to TR case number is 41, 2013, pending in the court of Learned Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar for commission of offences under section, that is the final form offense would that is
charge sheet.
charge sheet offense would 13(2) ठीक अछि, reduce section 13(1)(d) of PC Act ठीक अछि, then section 120B ପରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ, comma 420, 467, 468, 471 of the Indian Penal Code. ଆଉ କଣ ହେଲା?
420 also.
अच्छा 420 लिखलेनी और लिखा ला तो
এইটা 29 পেজের ଅଛି মোহাম্মদ মকিম पर দুটা ক্যাপসিটি 29 পেজ ইন্টারনাল দেখুন
अच्छा কোটা আছে 29
মাই লর্ড A8 মোহাম্মদ
अच्छा 8 अखल 467 120 भी तो अच्छी
ଅଛି
467 रही 468 471 420 रहिला तो आउ कोन रहिला सब तो रहिला
ସବୁ ରହିଲା ଟିକେ ଆଗ ପଛ ହେଇଛି
हां आगो पचे 120 बी टा
Yes, yes.
ठीक है ऑल
ठीक ଅଛି।
हाँ 120 बी so against respondent Mohammed Q and other accused persons. अच्छा, the order sheet of the said case indicates that on 6/6/2015 comma cognizance of offences under section टा कॉपी करनी आसन हाँ सेट नहीं आसन पूरा से पढ़ जाऊँ हाँ cognizance of offences under 13(2) reduce section 13(1)(d) of the PC Act, then under section 467 468 अच्छी 471 अच्छी 420 अच्छी 120 भी अच्छा 120 भी तो लास्ट को नहीं जानते बड़ा काम कौन हाँ सर ओब्लिक दे दियंतु प्रथम से जो 11 टा काटी दियंतु सेटा में मते ऊपर शेयर कर दियंतु
ପ୍ରଥମ ଅଛି 467
हाँ
468
ठीक है
471
now 120B comes to the last okay of the Indian Penal Code has been taken এটা সমস্ত তো ইয়ে সোফারাজ সেটাও কাটি দেন সোফারাজ মোহাম্মদ মুকিম কা কাটি দেন সোফারাজ মোহাম্মদ মুকিম is concerned সেটা কাটি দেন has been taken and on ଆଉ ତ କିଛି ହେଇନି ଆଜିରେ ଚାର୍ଜ ଫ୍ରେମ୍ ହେଇନି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଷ୍ଟପ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ taken ସେଠି ଷ୍ଟପ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ I have not filed the order sheet after 9/10/2015 in exhibit 30 stop तापर से जोटा काटी जांतु जो ऑन स्वान सोटू हां सेटू काटी जांतु इन नहीं नहीं इन दी एफिडेविट पर्यंत नहीं आसंती काटी जांतु बस और ये हां सेट रखन तापर सर क्वेश्चन पे चले लिखाओ हां सर
affidavit ତ ଅଛି
एफिडेविट का कन्फ्रंट कर सरले हां करंत
exhibit 30 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 1 to 4 and 32 to 35 ରେ ଅଛି 5A XII
रुंतु इटाला एफआईआर टा नंबर हला केते 34 34 नंबर हला XII ठीक अछि 69/2007 राइट then vigilance police
TR triple I just below B रे triple I
TR number 41 of 2013 special judge vigilance Bhubaneswar ठीक अछि offense code लिखछंती
offense my lord এটা ଅଛି triple I ର ଅଛି
offense under 120B 467 13 to 13(1)(d) 47 हाँ ठीक अछि आउ किसी पैराग्राफ रेलेवेंट अछि कि नैति ऑल राइट in the affidavit of the respondent so Mr. Samantray will proceed
Milord.
okay in the affidavit of the respondent Mohammed Mukim dated so and so in form number 20 in connection with his nominate from so and so in column number 52 52 year तापर केते ना
XII गोटा I काटी दियंतु तापर B
X just a minute XII is 34 right then
triple X टा काटी दियंतु B ର triple I only triple I
XII रे
हाँ 3 right then
C रे ମଧ୍ୟ X टा काटी दियंतु ट्रिपल आई
खाली ट्रिपल आई और से लास्ट टा काटी देने
एंड टैग नहीं जा
हाँ आंटा से ठीक नहीं जा राइट सेटा काटी दिया ओके
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୁଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ
अच्छा
ସେ XII ରେ
एक कोठी हला
5A, Roman 2A,
अच्छा कोठी केटा
एक
ओइटा
साई
भुवनेश्वर अच्छा अच्छा सेठी की लिखी दियंतु अच्छा इट वुड लाइक दो हाँ सेठ लिख दो
correctly.
in exhibit 30 comma the FIR relates to Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS case Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS कर लो comma but in the affidavit of the respondent Mohammad Mukim dated 3/4/2019 filed in form 26 in column number 5 Roman 2 bracket A bracket XII comma it has been mentioned as Vigilance Police Station comma Cuttack comma Odisha. Yes.
correctly
Yes.
sir ऊपर correctly हबनी कहना
Sir,
this is an incorrect
has
statement.
been
Oh, has been mentioned
दो
ये जो
पूरा has
correctly
been
टा
mentioned खाली
correctly टा काटी दो खाली mention कर दो हाँ सेटा correctly बन right yes
Am I not said left on though in other columns the DR case number PR
सब ठीक अछि दो in swan so but in other columns नहीं सेठी last two कर दो but in other columns the
DR number
the TR number
name of the court
comma name of the court and offenses have been correctly reflected yes
only columns B and C not other columns only
नहीं
columns
माने name of the court offenses
in other column B and C.
अच्छा इलेवन in
the columns B and
Five
C.
offenses
B
कर
and
देंगे
C. Because there are
in
other
column all right in column 5 कर देंगे पूरा कर देंगे in columns 5
B and C
in other columns bracket लिखूँ ए नहीं 5 bracket Roman
B
नहीं Roman 2 first लिखूँ तो
B
bracket B and
C.
5 Roman 2 bracket C
सब तो ट्रिपल आई का जोड़ी दूं देखा था क्लियर हो जाएगा
हाँ
ट्रिपल आई से
First XII.
फास्ट तो भूल अच्छी वाली
फर्स्ट भूल अच्छी सेकंड
ट्रिपल आई बी
हाँ दीटा ट्रिपल आई कर दो हजार 5 हाँ नहीं बी पर लिखूँ तो ट्रिपल आई ये अगेन सी पर ट्रिपल आई है ना अच्छा कॉमा कर दिन सीरीज कॉमा कर दिन हाँ द टीआर number name of the court and offenses have been correctly अच्छा ये जो लिखले नहीं विजिलेंस पुलिस स्टेशन ओडिशा कटक तापर कॉमा दी दिन बॉटरे सेंटेंस आरंभ करते नहीं कॉमा करी बॉटा बीटा छोटो कर दिन हाँ राइट यस नेक्स्ट
Next. Mr. Samantray,
यस सर
do you have any knowledge about pendency of any other criminal case against respondent Mohammad Mukim, except the 13 cases of which you have filed certified copies?
Whatever I have stated in my affidavit, in my complaint, that is all.
Huh?
That is all I have knowledge of.
That is all.
I have knowledge of.
all right next paragraph 63 I have no knowledge that apart from 13 cases, 13 cases in which I have filed the certified copy of FIR, charge sheet and order sheet, any other case is pending against the respondent, Mohammad Mukim. Stop.
He's saying as per his affidavit, because actually there are 14 cases.
Mhm.
As per his affidavit,
No, he says I have no knowledge.
14 cases we have
14
filed
cases.
certified copies.
we have filed 14 certified copies of 14
14
cases.
cases.
I do not know. The question has been put on only 13 cases. He says 13. So I cannot.
Because
Don't sit over the mouth of your witness. Whatever you want to train him previously. Whatever he will answer, I will just write it down. Yes.
what he has said, that whatever cases I've said,
The question is very specific, Mr. Kanungo. 13 cases. He should have said that I have filed certified copy of 14 cases. He says no, I have filed 13 cases. So I have written. Yes, next.
No, not sir told me 13 cases. So
Yes,
Yes, sir, carry on.
you have seen the affidavit in Form 26 filed by the respondent. You have been shown. In this affidavit in Form 26, he has mentioned about the pendency of these cases as you have admitted.
yes, sir.
Is it?
I have filed the certified copies of those FIR and other documents as has been mentioned by the respondent Mohammad Mukim in his affidavit in Form 26. Yes.
So it has a decayjanti. Yes, pendency of this case has been shown in his affidavit in Form 26.
I have filed the certified copies of those FIRs and other documents as has been mentioned by the respondent in his affidavit to be pending against him. Yes.
सती ଆଜି ଯୋଉ ଆୟଟା ଦବାକୁ କହିଥିଲେ ସେଟା ବି ଦେଇଥିଲି। स्टेट को कॉपी दे से ऑर्डर করে আনবে না।
Sir, no, we'll see, we'll pass order on that. But what about further cross-examination?
They are procurement.
Yes, Mr. Kanungo and Mr.
have already prepared themselves for such a long time, and it is all only based on documents.
I have only, as your lordship has seen, I have only referred to criminal cases. Property matters are there.
No, that is, I'm not. So, question is that whether this FIR, etc., and this, have you finished cross-examination?
That is over. ସେଗୁଡାକ ଫର୍ମାଲ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ସେଗୁଡାକ ତା ଭିତରେ ଯିବନି।
No, if anything is left out, you can put it. I'm saying that if at one place all these things will be, that would be
That will be.
better while at the time of argument of the case, because randomly questions. Right. That would be.
FR part I think is over. Mr.
हाँ ମୁଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପଚାରିଲି ସାର୍ ଙ୍କୁ ଯେ ଆଉ left out ରହିଗଲା.
Next about
Just a minute. Where is that evidence affidavit? Wait. ये लास्ट हुए ना पढ़े नहीं तब हाँ सही टू कोट लिखो टू कोट करो keep the paragraph number. ये 2019 पूर्वरु मिस्टर सामंतराय 2019 पूर्वरु आपण देवाशीष सामंतराय को संगे इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करथिले सॉरी मोहम्मद मुकीम को सहित
2019 रे करथिली एवं 2014 रे मध्ये करथिली.
अच्छा for the second time comma I contested election of MLA against the respondent Mohammad Mukim. Stop. Mohammad Mukim को नारे ये जो केस गुड़ा को पेंडिंग अच्छी
मिलॉर्ड
ए विषय आपण केबे जानिले इलेक्शन ये जो 2019 इलेक्शन नॉमिनेशन पेपर से फाइल कला पर जानिले ना ता पूर्वरु जानिथिले.
नॉमिनेशन पेपर फाइल कला पर आफ्टर द इलेक्शन परे परे जतबेले I studied the case of his nominations is done rightly or wrong. Then I started finding a lot of
no आपण जो एती केस 13टा केस जो मोहम्मद मुकीम को नारे पेंडिंग अच्छी बेली ए विषय इलेक्शन पूर्व आपनकर ज्ञान नथिला जेतेबेले नॉमिनेशन पेपर वेरीफाई कले एफिडेविट वेरीफाई कले सेती बेले जानिले जे एती बडा पेंडिंग अच्छी बेली
ज्ञान थिला किंतु
डिटेल ज्ञान
टा नथिला मिलॉर्ड because
though I had knowledge that some criminal cases had been instituted against the respondent Mohammad Mukim prior to the election in the year 2019, but I had no knowledge about the details of those cases, including the offenses involved. आपको कोर्ट रे पेंडिंग अछि सेगुडा भी जान नथिले
किछि मात्रा रे मिलॉर्ड I knew because
details ता जाना न
details in papers it was out regarding
and the courts where those cases were pending. ई जो affidavit आपण देखिले
मिलॉर्ड
तापरे ए affidavit रे ठीक कथा लेखाई छी कि नाही ताकू वेरीफाई करिवा पाई आपण ए सर्टिफाइड कॉपी सब अप्लाई कले
मिलॉर्ड
सर्टिफाइड कॉपी पाइला परे ही आपण जानिले जे प्रकृत रे ए केस सब पेंडिंग अछि कि नाही ए विषय जानिले
मिलॉर्ड.
All right. In order to verify whether respondent Mohammad Mukim has reflected correctly about the pendency of the cases against him in the affidavit, I applied for the certified copy of the FIR, charge sheet, and order sheets. And then I came to know about the correct state of affairs. So, आपण
Milord,
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ सर्टिफाइड कॉपी सब अप्लाई करिसेंती
Milord,
एथुरु जणा पड़ुची आपण इलेक्शन पिटिशन फाइल करिवा परे ही आपण सर्टिफाइड कॉपी अप्लाई करछन
Milord,
फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ certified copy and grant of certified copy. It reveals that I got those documents after filing of the election petition. ताले इलेक्शन पिटिशन ने आपण केमती लिखिले जे ए केस सब करेक्टली मेंशन करनाहंती बा ऑफेंस ठीक से मेंशन करनाहंती कोर्ट ना मेंशन करनाहंती
Milord, after studying the election commission's law for a candidate
keep
to
in mind the previous answer which you have given and answer me.
Yes, Milord. It was after filing of election petition. I got those.
My question to you is that how you mentioned in the election petition that he has not correctly reflected the offenses, he has not correctly mentioned the court case number if you got those certified copy after filing of the election petition.
Yes, Milord.
Put in a question mark, question form, Q. If you have got the certified copies of the FIR, charge sheet, and order sheet after filing of the election petition, how you mentioned in the election petition that the respondent Mohammad Mukim has not correctly reflected about the case details in the affidavit in form 26 question mark answer लिखूं yes कौन answer जहाँ कोई भी लिखा हो
Sir, could I read?
read the question that is in your front it is
Milord, after verification from the different agencies which as a election fighting the elections you have to submit. So in those areas I did my research to find where all there are non-disclosures or misleading of the voters, which is the guideline of the Election Commission of India.
After verifying from different agencies and making research, prior to obtaining the certified copies, I came to know that the respondent, Mohammad Mukim, has given wrong statements in the affidavit in Form 26. Yes. So we'll proceed to the next day, that is fixed to Wednesday. Yes, Mr. 18th रखिएगा.
Sir, upon the depend करो. Only thing I was submitting is he is preparing himself for the last 3 months. So again, this is all based on documents. I leave it to your lordships, man.
All right. Now, এটা भी एक बारी तंग verify कर. Print verify कर देंगे. Now you come to order that sir. Order sheet लिखूँ तो. Order sheet মানে এর মানে dictation नहीं है. So the matter is taken off through so and so mode. The election petitioner Devasi Samantra is present in court today. His further cross-examination is resumed. Mr. Vidyadhar Misral and senior advocate appearing for the respondent cross-examined him. Further cross-examination is deferred to 18/1/2023. It's the last two lecture. Mr. Agrawal, you applied the for the certified copy of deposition of PW1 and you have received that copy.
Deposition we have received. Exhibits I have not.
Thereafter, I will pass this order. Mr. Gopal Agrawal, Land Council appearing for the election petitioner submits that he has received the certified copy of deposition of PW1 as per the order dated 12/1/2023. The Land Council for both the parties submits that day-to-day deposition photocopy of day-to-day deposition of the witnesses be supplied to them under the signature of private secretary. Submission is accepted. Let the photocopies of the deposition on day-to-day basis of the witnesses on day-to-day basis be supplied to the Land Council for the respective parties. Stop. Stop para pronto. An interim application has been filed by the respondent Mohammad Mukim, which has been registered as IN number 2 of 2023. For compliance of the order of this court, order number 60 dated 14/10/2022 of this court passed in IN number 27 of 2022 and order number 75 dated 2/12/2022 passed in IA number 30 of 2022. In directing the collector cum district election officer Cuttack to produce the documents as mentioned in the schedule of the IA. Copy of the IA has been served on the Land Council for the election petitioner. Have you got any objection?
We don't have any objection, but the collector has written those documents are not available with him. That they have also mentioned at the scheme law. That document is not available.
Mr. Misra?
Those are statutorily maintained documents.
We have filed the certified
How-
copy of
how
the
can
document. They have
The
granted it.
custodian of the documents say that this is not happening.
All right, take down. The Land Council for the election petitioner has no objection to such prayer. In view of such submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, let the documents as mentioned in the schedule of the IA be called for by the Land Registered Judicial so as to reach within 1 week the aforesaid documents shall be produced in sealed cover before the Land Registered Judicial.
এই କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସାଇଟକୁ ସେମାନେ ମଗେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ କୋର୍ଟ ପରେ
अच्छा ताले register judicial को न लिखिले गंदो a free copy of the order be handed over to Mr. Arupananda Das, an additional government advocate present in court, who will communicate the order to the collector cum district election officer Cuttack to produce the documents as mentioned in so and so before register judicial within a week in sealed cover. All right, the free copy of the order be handed over. Anything else you want?
My lord, I have applied certified copy of exhibits. My lords, on the last date is directed to supply me copy.
Which
That-
certified copy?
Exhibits, all exhibits marked on behalf of us. Your lordship, kindly see the last
Oh, right,
order.
right. You have not received that?
No, that I.
अच्छा से जोटा लिखिलेन deposition copy of PW1 पाइचंती बेली कहले सेता पूर्वपूर्व लिखिथिले but he has not received सेटी add कर दियन but he has not received the copy of the exhibits applied for. Stop. Let the registry furnish the same to the Land Council for the election petitioner. Stop. List this matter on 18/1/2023 at 2 p.m. Sir, anything else?
No.
Mr. Kanungo,
Okay.
anything else?
No, my lords. 18 means Wednesday.
18 means Wednesday at 2 o'clock. All right.
Cool.
So just verify that deposition, then I will,
Aye.
if you say yes, I'll go ahead to put signature.